This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to register for Plutonium. To get started, you'll need to visit the official Plutonium website. Once there, you'll create a unique username and a strong, secure password. Remember to use a valid email address, as this is crucial for verifying your account and ensuring its security. This initial step is straightforward, setting the foundation for your gaming experience. After submitting your registration details, the next crucial step is account verification. You'll receive an email from Plutonium containing a verification link. Please check your inbox and click this link to activate your account. If you don't see it immediately, remember to check your spam or junk mail folders, as it sometimes ends up there. This step ensures your account is legitimate and ready for use. With your account verified, you can now log into the Plutonium forums using your new username and password. This grants you access to a vibrant community and essential resources. From the forums, you'll easily find the dedicated download section for the game client. Proceed to download the official Plutonium game launcher, which is necessary to play your favorite Call of Duty titles. Once the launcher is downloaded, run the executable file and follow the simple on-screen installation prompts. The process is quick, typically taking only a few minutes. After installation, open the Plutonium client and select the specific Call of Duty game you wish to play. With everything set up, you are now ready to dive into the action and enjoy your favorite games on the Plutonium platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.